Hi, I just wanted to make a quick video for you guys about using the technology to find axis of symmetry in vertex. It's the first 10 that you probably did on Delta from Monday or Tuesday of this week. I was here on Tuesday to show a couple of the classes, but Monday, first hour kids, I did not have a chance to do this with you, so I wanted to show you just a quick little tutorial on going through the process on your graphing calculator. So I'm actually going to use the first example we did in the notes from 2.2. So we already have the answer to this in the notes, but I'm going to show you how to do it on a calculator. So I'm going to go to y equals on my calculator, and I'm going to type the equation in. So we get -2. Oh, lights just turned off. I'm in my classroom here. I'm going to give video in the dark. And then x plus 3 squared, and then plus 4. And you can see everything that I type over here on the right side, right? So I went to y equals -2 parenthesis variable button plus 3 and goes through the whole process. All right, I'm going to hit graph. Your graph might look a little different, depends on what your window is. In order to see just the standard window, you're going to go zoom 6. And then that'll take you back to the standard 10 by 10 if you weren't already there. All right, we are going to look for the vertex value, which, if you can look at this parabola, is the top of the parabola. So this is the maximum. So you're going to go to second, trace, and it's going to bring up these options. You've probably been here before using the intersect option for systems of equations. Most likely you went through a graphing process. Intersection was your point that the two lines touch. But we're doing maximum, so I'm using number 4. Now it's going to go back to the screen. On the screen, it's going to be a question, right? Left bound. It's not just going to spit the answer out to you right away. So I have to answer these questions. So if I hit the left arrow, you see this little black cursor? It's just kind of like a little flower looking thing. They want me to move it left bound. So they want it left of this answer. So I'm going to keep hitting the left arrow over the top until I get over here. Now I'm on the left side of the maximum value that I'm trying to find, which is my vertex. So I hit enter once I'm left. Then in the bottom corner, it's now asking you to go right bound. So now I'm going to hit the right arrow until I'm on the right side of it. And then I'm going to hit enter. And then I'm going to go to guess. So it's going to be right up top. And I'm going to hit enter. And that is your maximum, or the vertex, -3, 4. So the vertex for that is -3, 4. Again, you already did this problem, so you already have this graph and everything drawn in your notes. So that's your vertex. If they ask you to find axis of symmetry, it's going to be x equals whatever the x is. So you can get both of these answers from your graphing calculator. So rewatch this video if you need to go through the steps again. Again, all the things I hit are over here. You know, I had to hit the left arrow 28 times to move that little flower guy over to the left side, and I had to hit it 15 times. But it doesn't have to be 28 and 15, but it just depends on how the graph is set up, how many times you have to hit that. But that's a little idea of what they're looking for on the technology part. So you can use your graphing calculator on your computer, or if you have your own actual graphing calculator at home, you can do that. And then after you watch this video, go over and fill out that form. It needs your name, hour, got a few questions, and that'll be your attendance for today. Have a good one.